Good product. Very beautiful product, good packaging and delivery by Amazon. Very smooth, installation done within 24 hours of delivery. No sound, sufficient storage for 4+ members. Most important is energy efficiency. Good product. I got this product for 23,257 rupees, good working, great storage capacity, Whirlpool brand performance beats Samsung and LG. Its cooling is good, even at low setting, sufficient cooling. Size and color is also good. Happy with the product. But, it's not a convertible refrigerator. The fridge compartment can be set to auto, low, medium, high cooling, while freezer compartment can be set to min, normal and deep freezer modes. Freezer cannot be converted to fridge. The various modes, chef, normal, etc. are marketing stuff only. In the end, you have to set fridge and freezer per your requirement. I bought this product in exchange of Samsung, and seriously, this product beat all brands of refrigerator. Looks and capacity is superb. Full satisfied, and also as compared to other refrigerator price, this product is value for money. Go for it. Installation service is also fast. In 5 hours installation process is done. Superb product. Buy it. In sale and offer days. Super product. Pros: beautiful sleek design. Metal finish is very sober. Silent operation. Not much noise. 4-star energy rating. Pretty tall. Almost more than 160 cms. Temperature control on the outside. Little fancy, very lightweight, comparing to LG 2017 model which weighs at 100+ kilogram. Delivery was on the selected date. Installation guy came within 6 hours. Cons. Body appears to be used. Dull patches here and there. Many dents inside the fridge. Top left corner of the fridge has damage. The plastic panels are not close-fitting. Gap remains. Right back corner support is deformed a little. So leveling takes a hit. Never seen in any other model, but this one has huge holes cut inside. From where you can see the thermal insulation. I don't think this should be like that. Click link in description for more reviews.